Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with After the Wear, Wear or Beware. Today we received a box from Minimal. So there was a restock on the website and I was eyeing this button up and a couple of the jeans, and I will do a future review on the certain individual products that we purchased this time around. So let's go ahead and unbox. Cool. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What I ordered here is I ordered 2 pairs of jeans and I ordered a button-up or a shirt, not a t-shirt, a shirt. So this is the flannel work shirt, blue and green. I also purchased the M96 stretch denim, M64 regular denim, which is a first for me because I'm an athletic build and I like my pants stretchy. My favorite model being the M1s stretch. Those I totally love. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. You can barely see it, but yeah. So the M1 stretch are just very, very comfortable, and I was kind of weary about ordering the non-stretch, but since they were super cheap, I ended up purchasing a pair just to test them out. Again, this is the unboxing, and I'll probably do an individual review, and then later on after washing them, let you guys know on a second review, which is the follow-up, whether it's a wear, go ahead and purchase it, or beware, purchase it at your own risk. So let's get it on. So super excited about the first thing that was in there. Yeah, wow. So this is the flannel work shirt in a size large, and just from the looks of it, this is super thick, and sometimes thickness is a sign of getting your bang for your buck. And I believe the work shirt, correct me if I'm wrong, you can also go to the website, was 54 bucks. So yeah. And the second pair of jeans that came out here, I got in this package, or the first one I should say, is the M96 stretch denim in a size 36. This one went on sale. Originally which I'll show you in the review, the M model comes with a zipper and they're usually 64 bucks. The S model don't come with zippers, and I'll show you where the zipper is. It's in the inner seam at the very bottom, and they're 10 inches long. So in my next review, I'll go ahead and make sure I show you all the details of my jeans. So, and I'll do it on the new ones, not the old ones. And yeah, so this one wasn't selling too well, so I was like, hey, I'll grab a pair. Going on to the second pair, and the second pair is where I took a risk. These are the M64 regular denim, not the stretch denim, in a size 36, because I wanted to test out if I can purchase any other ones. The site, or Minimal, actually creates more, they give you more options when you don't wear, or when it's non-stretch, when it's regular. So that is one of my concerns, is I'm only limited to so many things because I have, athletic legs or bigger calves and bigger thighs. So it just helps to have a little bit more stretch down there. So the details on these are pretty out there. So we'll see how these fit. But yeah, again, just to let you guys know, this is only an unboxing of a restock of some of the denim that they already have and the button up. And I'm gonna go ahead and create a video or review on each and every one of them individually. So again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So comment in the box if you've ever tried any of these on, and let us know, share with us, educate us. Thank you so much, guys. Again, this is just to help all of us understand more about the brand. All right, guys, this is Jay, and we'll catch you after the wear.